This is my homemade snowmobile, Мотособака, track sled, whatever you want to call it. I just wanted to give a little walk around and a better explanation of what is constructive and how it works. The sled was built using 1-inch thin wall square tubing and 6.5 horse Predator from Harbor Freight, clutched with a TAV30 torque converter, and then the torque converter runs into a jack shaft down to that, and then to another set of sprockets to the axle. The axle I built out of 1.25-inch hex stock and turned the outside down to 1-inch round so I could run a hub for the sprocket. The track is a 121 by 15. This is standard 252 pitch snowmobile track that I cut in half, widened to 20 inches, and riveted. I had some old Evinrude snowmobile grousers on to widen it. I had built one of these previously with a 15-inch track, and it was just kind of tippy, kind of unstable, and it had trouble pulling the sled. The sled is a Otter Pro small, which is 20 inches wide, and I found that running a wider track, it packs a path for the sled and it goes through the snow a lot better. The skid frame, I'm using this is a set of snowmobile slide rails. I believe this set came off of a mid-90s Skidoo. And then I've got a handlebar frame going back to an old set of snow crossbars I had. And the throttle is a BMX brake lever, and then the long throttle cable running back to the motor is off of a tandem bicycle, a 2-seat bicycle. And the sled, like I said, is an Otter Pro small. They put a boat seat on with a swivel, and I'm also running, if you can see them, the Hi-Fax under it, so I can run in gravel and cross pavement without eating it up. And I like to carry a small sled inside with me in case I need a little more capacity to haul. And then it's simply attached to a little drawbar and a snowmobile hitch. So yep, that's the machine. I've built it 3 years ago, and it's been pretty good. Haven't done much to it. I plan on this summer tearing it down, and I want to change a few things. I want to redesign the frame. I want to try going up to a larger motor and bigger clutching to see how it responds to that. It's been really good for just getting around deep snow and ice fishing and whatnot, but it struggles a little bit in the hills. So I'd like to build something that is a little more capable.